girl Jaleisha B, and today I'm here to show y'all how I got this, how Ronald McDonald went to Whoville Slay. I'm telling y'all, that's the perfect description of this whole look. Ronald McDonald went to Whoville, period. It's a cute little holiday, so if you want to pop out, you know what I'm saying, you want to pop out like, girl, who are you? Cindy, who are you, Cindy? But yeah, if you want to see this hair, I'll link it above or below or both, because I think that video is going up before this one, so I'll link it above. Make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss an upload. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you like makeup tutorials, and I'll see you guys at the end. Y'all see this zoom though? Do y'all see this quality? Y'all see this zoom? Period. Yeah, I'm just gonna do a quick little holiday look for y'all, just in case you are doing something for the holidays, even though it is coronavirus and we shouldn't be doing nothing. But you know, you can still be cute at home. That's the point. You can still be cute at home, and that's all that matters. So I'm gonna take my Juvia's Place I Am Magic foundation and mix it with my Maybelline Fit Me. I'm only doing this because I'm out of my favorite foundation, which is the Too Faced Born This Way Jackie Aina foundation. That's the only reason why I'm using this. I normally, this is like my backup. Like, I gotta be out of that to use this. But you know, it's okay. And the only reason why I don't have it is because I wear the color chestnut, and it's like not a thing at Ulta in store anymore. So when I went and bought it, when I went to go try to replace it, they didn't even have it. So I ended up buying a different color, which is obviously not the color I wanted. So yeah, this is like kind of too light, but you know, we're gonna have to make it work. That's all I got. So next, I'm taking my CoverGirl True Blend Concealer in the color Golden Amber. I absolutely love this concealer. Like, I use it every time I do my makeup. I never use anything else because this is all I need. So I'm gonna go in with one more tiny coat under my eyes, just so it'll really cover just as I need it to. So I'm going with my Laura Mercier concealer, translucent, my Old Faithful. I always use this same one, so it's nothing new. Okay, so I'm taking my Milani Precision Brow in the color Ebony. And honestly, I don't fill in my brows, but I don't like line them out or anything. I really like them to look kind of natural, so yeah. Okay, so for eyeshadow, I'm going to use my Patricia Bright Revolution palette, Living in Color, and I absolutely love this palette. If you don't have it, I don't know if you can still get it. If you can, I'll of course link it down below so you can get it, because I'm telling y'all, this palette is fire. Okay, so I want to take this little stippling brush, and I'm going to take my red in this palette. And basically I'm going to carve out like a, I don't know how to explain it, like a wing, but like up here. Okay, so after I do my outline, I want to go back in and fill it in. So you can use the same brush or you can use a flat brush if you have one. I don't have a flat brush, so I'm just going to go in with the same brush and just fill it in. So I'm going to take a blending brush, but a flatter one, and with a brown, I'm going to mix the colors Queen and Model together. I'm just going to go along the edge and blend the edge out just so it's not sharp. You're basically making it look like a shadow, so you don't want it to be a harsh edge. You want it to go from red to brown super easy. You don't want to be able to see it. See the transition. If you want to go back in with red, you can. I am bringing the brown in some to kind of cover up the top of my lid. I do have a little fallout coming, so I'm going to take my translucent powder and just sit some under my eyes just so it doesn't mess it up. Okay, now that we have those two blended together, I'm going to take the color Allspice. It's just like a reddy brown with the same brush, and just put it right in the middle of those. You can bring it down as well into the inner crease, into your inner crease. I'm going to take a flat brush, basically just a lid brush, and I'm going to go back in with red one more time. Pick up quite a bit and sweep it right at the bottom like this, right over the lid. You can bring it up some to kind of go where your old red was, just to make it, to give it back its color. Okay, I'm gonna take this scarf off so I can do my contour. And then I'm gonna go back and fix my under eyes. I'm gonna show you a way. I'm gonna show you how to fix your under eyes. If this happens, like I let it sit too long, so now it's like cakey. So I'm gonna take my sponge and my Morphe setting spray it real good. Then I'm gonna go right under my eyes and pat it, and it's gonna take that cakiness away. So now I'm going to remove my Morphe face palette in 8R. Y'all, perfection. I don't know if I showed y'all this before, but I absolutely love this palette. So I'm going to take the two middle bronzers, mix them together. So I'm using a Wet n Wild Mega Liner. It works good and it's cheap. I've used expensive liners and I always go back to this one because it works and I can't complain. Lashes from J Honey Hair. If you don't know, I do sell wigs, hair extensions, lashes on my website. It's called jhoneyhair.com. I'll link it below. These lashes are in the style Drama Queen. And y'all, I've worn these lashes at least like 20 times minimum. And I'm still wearing them. They still going strong. Nothing wrong with them. I advise you to get you a pair, girl. Get you a pair, because when I say these lashes are fire, they fire. Okay, while my lashes drop, I am gonna do a little blush because I love a good blush. So I'm gonna take, obviously, the same palette, and I'm gonna use the blush that comes in. I'll mix the two blushes together. I really need a red blush, but I don't have one. This is going to be as close as I can get. This is so pretty. Oh my gosh. It's so pretty. Okay, last I need mascara and highlight. So let's get into it. And lips, what am I thinking? I'm not even nowhere to spend it, but I need to get my mascara from my room. Highlight, I'm just gonna use the same palette. You're gonna be like, they use this palette for everything. But this is really such a versatile palette. You can use this palette for contour, bronzer, blush, and highlight. Like, especially if you like my skin tone or darker, you can definitely use it. And lighter too, honestly. You can use this for everything. But I think this highlight is what more geared towards darker skin tones. I have my Morphe BFF liner. It's like a really pretty maroony type of red color, brown. It's like a red brown. It's cute. Oh well. Also, I'm really just starting to get into lip liners. Honestly, I never used to wear a lip liner, and now I gotta have it. I'm going to use my Madison Beer lip gloss. It's Morphe. It was a Morphe collab. It's in the color Brilliant or Mars. What the hell? It's in the color Mars. I don't know what I'm reading. This lip gloss is literally so good. And then it's shiny, but it's not too shiny to where it's like, I see your gloss coming. Which I don't like too shiny lip gloss. I just want to have a sheen, you know? This combo is fire. You can't tell me it's not, boo. You can't.